Come on. I love that. I'm not even going to deny. I love that. Like. So we can react to this video as usual, you know. Too long. Okay, so guys, right about now, guys, let's get into it. If you think I didn't pronounce it properly, just pronounce it by myself. Okay, let's more. You don't want me to bite my tongue. So, guys, listen. Right about now, guys. Bro! I got my name called VTY, guys, and you guys are going to Eliminate TV. You know how this right now, guys. You're going to react to too long. I think it's too long. It's too long. Let's just go and react to it. It is. You can't argue with me. I pronounce it correctly. Too long. Let's go and react to you right now. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button right, because like it's important. Okay. God bless you. Like the video as well. Okay. Ginger. No be smarty, no.
Best of luck, Parmita. Keep up.
I love that. I'm not even going to deny. I love that. Like. I do it.
Bawa ceramah masalah lagi. Dia yang bangun majerian cuma play.
That is awesome. like honestly, that sound is amazing. Jeez, I love it.
Kenapa orangnya?
She's beautiful. Of course she is. This song should be a hit song. There, like you guys should tell me the truth. This song blew like God. No, this is a nice song, honestly. Wow. This girl deserves an award for this. Like literally, no joke. This girl literally deserves an award for this. I'm adding this song to my playlist. Believe it or not, that's the Okay, I think I heard it. Whoa! But Jesus, the way she recorded the song, like, and the way she like the video synchronizes with the song, like,